Good afternoon all. Praise gratitude to always praise to the Creator. God is one and only. Thank you for the opportunity given to me. On this occasion, I would like to say a few words about the crowd during the pandemic. As we know, COVID-19 still infects the world. The death rate continues to grow. I will never tire to inviting all of you to always be vigilant and comply with health protocol. Do not be provoked by groups and swamp and speak helpful speech. Let them get relieved. But we have tried to provide understanding. Must obey the rules, but if they don't listen to it, then let the reply come while still in the world or in the hereafter. As a devout society, let us appreciate the hard work of the medical personnel, task force, and the people who have struggled against COVID-19. Indeed, for some people, it is difficult to believe if you have to seen or felt it. For example, Liputan6.com, Jakarta Head of COVID-19 Task Force, Doni Wanardo, highlighted the result of PPS survey which showed 17% of the respondents thought it was impossible to contract the COVID-19 virus. This survey was conducted online by BPS from 7 to 14 September 2020 with 90.967. Doni said the survey finding of 17% of respondents were not sure their exposure to COVID-19 was a large enough number if multiplied by the number of Indonesian population. Even though there is not one inch of land in Indonesia that is safe and free from COVID-19, Doni said in BNPB talk show. COVID-19 survivor Hans Wibowo is one the Indonesian who doesn't believe in the coronavirus. He said that the first he was confused while he opened the test result. He shocked because he was positive for COVID-19. You see, Hans admitted that he did not believe in the coronavirus because all of his friends had not been positive for COVID-19. Hans work daily is a jewelry designer. I don't believe it because it my circle of friends. No one has had a coronavirus yet, says Hans in the talk show at BNPB Building, Jakarta. Hans also admitted that he did not lose in his sense of smell and tasting at all. The respiratory tract is also normal, but on the second day, the third day, the sweat on his body dropped. After the second day tested positive, I lost my sense of taste, smell, and shortness of breath, says Hans. On the same occasion, a volunteer doctor the COVID-19 Emergency Hospital, Wisma Atlet Kemayoran, Jakarta, Dr. Verase Cynthia, emphasized the COVID-19 outbreak was not fabrication or conspiracy. Before we are exposed in short, we avoid it and adhere to health protocols, better to prevent than to cure. Let's pray for the soul that they will always be given health and strength by the one and only God. We as citizens, if we can still be at home, it is better if we stay at home. Group the violet, just let it go. Do not just be triggered and instead cause friction between residents. Let's keep in harmony with each other. Don't instill hatred in us. Let us be with in our behavior and words. That's what I want to say. That is be your concern. Stay healthy and don't forget we are a max. Good afternoon, breathing healthy.